and it's driving on the shag rug right now. That's a pretty difficult rug for a vacuum to move on. Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up and connect your Dreame robot vacuum cleaner with the Dreame Home app that's available for iOS and Android devices. Specifically, the model that we're going to use is the DreameBot L20 Ultra. If you're interested in this robot vacuum cleaner or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. Now go ahead, get the app downloaded, and let's get this thing set up. So with the Dreame Home app downloaded, this is the screen you're going to be at. I also want to mention, if you already use the Me Home app, your Dreame products will work on that app as well. So keep that in mind. There's actually two apps you can use, but we're going to use Dreame's app today to set this up. First thing we have to do is add a device. So you see we have the option to scan or manually add it. We're going to select that blue scan button. We have our QR code right there. There we go. We just scanned it. Now we need to connect to a Wi-Fi network. Please make sure it's a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network. Start the configuration. There's our device. So we got to press and hold the clean and dock buttons for 3 seconds. So here we go. We got the power and we have our home button.
Waiting for the network configuration.
All right, we got the prompt. The lights are flashing. We have our Wi-Fi light right there too. You'll see it's doing a slow blue blink. We've heard the prompt, select next. Now we need to connect to our Wi-Fi network, enter your password. Again, make sure it's a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network. Select next. We have this prompt to join. And now you'll see it's working on connecting.
Robot and phone connected.
Got a voice prompt.
Return to app to wait for the result.
Everything's connected. There we go.
Network connected successfully.
Got the network connected successfully prompt. And we now have the finish button illuminated in blue. So we'll select that. And we're taken into our device where you'll see it's currently on standby. From this screen, we have a couple of quick options and controls to enable. So we can do real-time camera, start cleaning, and have it return to the dock, all from within this screen for our device. We could also set up a shortcut right here. We have way more settings if we actually go into the device, where you'll see once we start our map in our first run, we'll have our map populated here. We have our different cleaning modes, right? Clean Genius, Customized Cleaning, pick and choose from all of those great settings. Start a clean, return it to the base station. You'll see we can choose to clean everything, a zone or a room. We have our camera icon and our map icon there. You'll see our cleaning breakdown with how long it ran, the area that it was able to cover, and we have our current battery status. And in the top right-hand corner, we have our additional settings like our cleaning history that'll populate once we actually have one. Schedule cleanup. So we can create a schedule, choose the time, which days of the week you want it to repeat, what sort of task do you want, Clean Genius, or do you want to do a custom, right? Pick and choose right there. And that's going to be our schedule. Carpet clean settings, we can turn on intelligent cleaning of the carpet if you want. Mop pad lifting, you get the idea here. Carpet boost, intensive carpet cleaning, toggle those on or off. Floor cleaning settings, so cleaning in the floor direction, that's pretty cool. Up to you to enable those. Intelligent mop setting, so auto add detergent, you get the idea. Automatic second cleaning, automatic mop pad rewashing. A lot of settings here, very intelligent. Here's a breakdown of all the parts and components that we'll need to replace eventually, so you can conduct proper maintenance. Then you'll see we have some additional functions here. Large particle boost, AI recognition, can control your environment, battery management, resume cleaning mode. Additional functions here, voice and volume, unit of area. Then we have our general settings like the name, feedback, if we want to share this device, update it, our Wi-Fi network information, help section, and we have some additional settings right there. And then lastly, we can delete the device. All right, our first clean's out of the way. Now we have our populated map. I've already edited and tweaked the map a little bit. So take a look at the attention to detail here. They have your floor type as well as the pattern of the floor. It's really cool that it's that smart. You also see a rug right there. Moving right along, we have some of our obstacles. This is a kitchen table and chairs. Huge sectional sofa and ottoman. You'll see it's got the rug identified there too. Floor pattern, another rug. So it's really smart and clever what it's able to map, and that's just after one pass. Now let's go into the map settings. You'll see we can add our no-go zone areas right here. That's what we have in red. We can also, edit a particular area or zone right there. So rotate, restore, backup. You'll see down at the bottom, merge, split, rename, and choose floor material. So you can really customize this map. Here's furniture editing. If you wanted to add furniture in, you can do that right there. Then you'll see we have our carpet editing. So if you want to choose carpeted areas, maybe it missed something, overlooked it, you can do that. Then you'll see we have our threshold. If you want to mark a threshold, follow those steps. Right there, just add it in place. You're all set and ready to go. And you'll notice the red, that's our no-go area. And that was the first option.